Christmas, guys! Hello, this is Shay. Shay Shu. Shay Shu. Merry Christmas, mga aklap. Maraming salamat. Award! Abangan natin. I don't want a lot for Christmas. And guys, party tayo! Let's go! Come on, mga akla! Let's go! Let's go! All I want for Christmas is you. Thank you so much, mga akla! Once again, give it up for your queens! Olivia, Kiari, beginning, Venus Deluxe, Precious Paula Nicole, Zimbabwe, Tina Baby, Angel, Kiana, and Maxi, with your host, Buknay. Thank you so much! Maxi lang po! Kasama po ang Nabagsing Squad, January 5. Thank you so much! Maraming salamat, Vice Comedy Club and Absolute. Nakita po tayo sa mga susunod pang shows ng Adonis Roadhouse, December 25, Big Christmas Intervention sa Rampa Club, January, December 29, Boxilog with our Season 3 Queens, January 5, Triple Correct, Boxilog din yun sa Big City, January 19, Struts Tower, Boxilog din yun sa Big City, and February 9, dito yun o, Vice Comedy Club o, Prince of Hearts. Sa mga matindid and green po, ihanda nyo lang yung mga sarili. Make sure that you have your wristbands with you. White wristbands. Ay, masama ako dito lalo. Oh, eto pa, sa December 31, Tuesday, ang Rampasabog Bonggang Rampasabog Bonggang Bagong Taon sa Rampa Club. December 31 po yan. O, sasalubungin natin ang New Year. Kasama, of course, your Rampa Reinas. Precious Paula Nicole, Brigading Venus Deluxe. Kasama pa sina Shawarma, Popstar Bench, Tiny Deluxe, Felicia D, Bomba D, Katana, Kiendra, Kiari, and Miss Chronicles. See you there! Maraming salamat po sa lahat na kasama natin dito. Thank you rin sa Cavi Aesthetics at sa Beauty Lab, Sir Carlos. Kung nasan ka man, nandiyan ka. Hello, thank you po. Visit po Cavi and Beauty Lab. Kaya sobrang fresh ko. What the? Maraming salamat po. Meet and greet will happen in a few minutes. For now, palapakan natin our queens. Babalik po sila. Need lang po mag-retouch kasi super duper neat na. Sobrang haggard nila. See you there! Brigading may message ka ba kay ano? Wala. Thank you so much! Let bukas let! Tip your home!